Ever wondered how you can send, receive, and swap crypto instantly without all the complicated steps and hassle? Let me show you something powerful. And please remember, folks, to always do your own research before investing or using any financial or cryptocurrency projects we do talk about on this channel, because we are not financial advisors and this video is not financial advice. Let's get into it. And for all the links, check the description and the pinned comments. So what is Phantom, folks? In a nutshell, it is a secure, non-custodial wallet built, optimized for Solana and Ethereum. Now, I can say for myself, it is extremely user-friendly and perfect for beginners, intermediates, or advanced. And personally, it is my own go-to wallet. And I think what I really love about Phantom the best is that it actually has its own inbuilt NFT integration in the wallet. So you can actually trade, send, swap, receive NFTs as well as altcoins, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Get YTRanker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to go over and open an incognito here on Google Chrome to ensure there is no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search, we need to click on the settings, the three dots here. Make sure the language is in English and that the location is set to the United States. Once United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine and go for our first search and type in Presale. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video right here by BizCheck is actually a video that YTRanker was able to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go in and type in another one, Leads Sniper, and have a look. And bang, again, top digital products, this video here, and also again, BizCheck, Presale versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So what are you waiting for? Get YTRanker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. So because Phantom has this, there's no need for third-party apps. It's all integrated in the one place. All right, folks, so as you can see here, I'm in my plugin Solana desktop wallet here, and there's two sections here. We've got tokens, which I'm on now, Pudgy Penguins, Doodles, Solana, for example. Again, super easy to trade and swap those, or just hodl if you like. And this is the NFT integration here. So just see some examples of some older NFTs that I've been holding in here. Doggo's NFTs, Wise Cats. So very easy, folks. If you just want to send here, you can. You want to swap, you can. You've also got the receive option, of course, and the buy option too. All very seamless and easy to do. So folks, if you want a wallet that's fast, easy, secure, seamless, built for beginners, intermediates, and advanced, what are you waiting for? Grab the Phantom wallet right now. It's kind of crazy not to have it. All the links will be in the description of this video and in the pinned comments. Let's go. And also, folks, if you did like today's video, make sure you please press the like button, subscribe, and hit notifications. We'll catch you next time.